congratulations, St. Jerome, to all the people of St. Jerome, and not only to us today who come to St. Jerome, but to those who came before us. With congratulations comes a big thank you to those from 1912, to those from 1906, and to you today. May God bless you all.
Pesinska djevo sveta, divno te divno proslavi Bog. Slave te glasi svega svijeta, premila majka, kuka si svog. Na tebi neba blista se kras, o Gospe Sinjska, budi nam spas. Na tebi neba blista se kras, o Gospe Sinjska, budi nam spas. Pomogla ti si svome puku, kad no pod sinjem bijesnio boj. Pruži nam i sad moćnu ruku, i sad u borbi narod je tvoj. Da ustrajemo, moli za nas, o Gospe Sinjska, budi nam spas. Da ustrajemo, moli za nas, o Gospe Sinjska, budi nam spas. U noći ljutoj slatka nada, i rani svakoj lijek si ti. Teško je vreme naših jada, u tebe pomoć ištemo svi. Život i radost sviju si nas, o Gospe Sinjska, budi nam spas. Život i radost sviju si nas, o Gospe Sinjska, budi nam spas. Život i radost sviju si nas, o Gospe Sinjska, budi nam spas. Život i radost.
On behalf of the people of the city of Chicago and Daily family, I wish all the parishioners of St. Jerome's a wonderful 100-year anniversary and congratulate you what you have accomplished for your families, for your church, for Chicago, United States of America. God bless you and thank you.
Of all the different places I've been, St. Jerome's was a very active parish. They always had something going. And every time they had a doing or whatever it was, I must say they never left the sisters out. We all were always invited. And I found that, I loved it there. I really did. Dear parishioners of St. Jerome's, congratulations on your 100th anniversary. Keep up the good work and enjoy many more years. And in thanksgiving for all you have done for me, I will keep you in prayer not only one day, but every day. So long until we meet again.
Jednom stade na žalu tražeć ljude za velika djela, talove srca božanskom riječju. O Bože, zar si pozvao mene, to je usne moje rekoše ime. Svoju lađu sada odstavljam žalu, odsad idem kamo šalješ me ti. O Bože, zar si pozvao mene, to je usne moje rekoše ime. Svoju lađu sada ostavljam žalu, odsad idem kamo šalješ me ti. Trebaš dlanove moje, moga srca, ražarem plamen i kaplje snoja, samoću moju. O Bože, zar si pozvao mene, to je usne moje rekoše ime. Svoju lađu sada ostavljam žalu, odsad idem kamo šalješ me ti. O Bože, zar si pozvao mene, to je usne moje rekoše ime. Svoju lađu sada ostavljam žalu, odsad idem kamo šalješ me ti. Odsad idem kamo šalješ me ti. Odsad idem kamo šalješ me ti.
On behalf of the Parish Council of St. Jerome's, I'd like to congratulate all the parishioners and the Franciscans and the priests, the nuns that have served here at St. Jerome's. Congratulations on the 100th anniversary, and I wish you another 100 years.
I want to thank St. Jerome. I want to thank Father Medic. I want to thank all the subsequent Franciscan priests, all our good nuns, all of the wonderful people that organized our parish, that suffered and gave of their poverty to create what is left behind, what we have today. It's to them that the credit has to go. St. Jerome, congratulations for 100 years. Na mnogo leta Bog te živio, as they say with a drop of wine. May you live forever in my heart, and may you live many, many more generations. And young people, don't allow it to die. May it live forever. Thank you, St. Jerome. Congratulations.